Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the muted accounts on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application of Bluesky and then click on these three lines up here and then go to the settings, and here you will find moderation. Click on it. Now you will find muted accounts. So that's it. That's how to find muted accounts easy and quickly. And that's it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.